So this video is brought to you by Sally's Beauty Supply. They sent me this box full of goodies, and I figured I would do this video showing you how I used two of the products in this box. This is my hair right now. I do wash and go pretty much every 3 days. This is just my curl pattern, and I love how my hair is. It is growing, but my ends actually do need clipping. So I'm going to show you my first twist out in a long time. So as you can see, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I separate my short hair from my long hair that I have at the top, and I am going to be using this leave-in spray, which actually operates very similar to a curl activator, because I was actually able to work this through my hair pretty easily. And then I also did that to the front and still kind of pinned that off away. I also combed it in to make sure that it was saturated through my hair, twisted my hair, and this is actually the product that I used. I used the Styling Jelly by Shea Moisture. You guys know it's my favorite product, and it's kind of a jelly. It's just a very light product. So I started continuing to finish twisting my hair using this product. So as you can see, my ends are kind of sparse, so I went on ahead and dusted those ends. Color is starting to get cut away, but trust me, I did not cut a lot off. You guys always wonder, but I didn't cut a lot off in the front. So the next day I decided to start styling it as usual. I used this Super Shine Hair Silk by Cantu Shea Butter, which was not in the box that was sent to me, but I really do like this because it's very lightweight. But if with any natural hair styling, especially when you're doing a twist out, it's always about separating and fluffing. Separating and fluffing. So I'm starting off by separating, and then I will start to fluff using my favorite pick. So I guess before I even start to fluff, I'm going to use my soft bristle brush to just kind of curl the shortest parts of my hair, because my hair is tapered. So I use that leave-in spray to do that, and I use the brush and moved in a circular motion to quickly coil the sides of my hair, and then I use my pick to just kind of lift and shape and kind of take the separation out of from the twist so that my scalp is not so exposed. So it makes no sense to have a tapered cut if you're not going to keep your lineup. So this is what I'm doing with my trimmers. It's just kind of lining up the back, and this is the final results. My hair was very soft. It's been a long time since I've done a twist out. It's going to be almost a year now since I've done a twist out, but I really do like it. Very soft, very coily and curly, and these are just the finished pictures. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure you watch my natural hair playlist, my natural hair cutting playlist, whatever you like. Learn about my natural hair. It's going to be almost 5 years, if not longer. I'll see you guys in the next video.